2018 BMW M6 review. This is really a sleek and fast BMW that lets sunshine shine on its enormous power and gratification. Analyzed logically, the 2018 BMW M6 seems excessive, absurd even. Do you really need a large, two-door convertible that will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds? Well, no. But this amount of automobile surpasses need and plunges straight to the heart of desire. As for some other BMW M cars, the M6 kicks off as a more prevalent car in the lineup, in such cases, the 6 Series Convertible, after which gets the full M Performance Division treatment. That includes an immensely powerful turbocharged V8, an aftermarket suspension, stronger brakes, and simply enough styling flourishes to generate the car jump out. Even in base form, the M6 Convertible is stunningly fast for just a car of the size and weight. Add the 40 additional horsepower accessible in the competition package plus the optional carbon ceramic brakes to crank it down even more. A raft of other available choices, including different wheel designs, heated rear seats, contemporary driver aids, special interior trim or even a manual transmission, present an impressive volume of personalization. The M6 Convertible's well-insulated fabric top also keeps wind noise mostly from increasing. And while using top-down, the separate glass rear window may be raised to serve as being a wind blocker, facilitating civilized conversation and preserving hairstyles to some degree. Why a lot power and gratification in a major convertible in this way? The better question for you is, why not? If it's practicality you would like, there is the M6 Grand Coupe using its 4 doors. If it's economy seeking, the off-the-shelf non-badged 650i convertible provides prodigious 445 horsepower for thousands less. There's no rational reason behind why you will need the M6 convertible, which can be all the more reason to need it. What's new? The BMW M6 Convertible enters 2018 without the significant changes. With only one trim level, the M6 Convertible is undoubtedly an exercise in options depending on priorities. In our opinion, the M6 works best like a Grand Tourer. Check the box with the executive package, which adds a heated tire and heated rear seats, ventilated front seats, rear and side blinds, along with an exquisite speakers. It's probably recommended that you also get the driving assistance package that includes no common safety aids including blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning. Trim levels and features. The 2018 BMW M6 can be a high-performance luxury convertible easily obtainable in a single trim level. It shines from other 6 Series convertibles with sporty elements, for example unique front and back fascias, quad tailpipes plus a range of other equipment. Under the hood can be a turbocharged 4.4-litre V8 engine, 552 horsepower, 500 pound-feet of torque paired to some 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission or perhaps a 6-speed manual transmission. From there, the M6 Convertible adds 19-inch alloy wheels, adaptive suspension dampers, a limit-slip rear differential, adaptive LED headlights, front and back parking sensors, automatic wipers, automatic soft-closed doors, auto-dimming side mirrors with heating, keyless entry and ignition, heated power front seats, driver seat memory settings, leather upholstery and trim, a power-adjustable tire and carbon-fibre accents. Also standard are Bluetooth, adjustable drive settings, BMW's iDrive interface which has a 10.2-inch display, a rear-view camera, voice controls, a navigation system, wireless device charging, a USB port, as well as a 16-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound speakers with HD and satellite radio. The M6 Convertible's executive package adds a heated tire, ventilated and massaging front seats, and also a 16-speaker Bang & Olufsen speakers. The driving assistance package incorporates a lane departure warning system, blind spot monitoring, a forward collision warning system, low-speed collision mitigation, and also a head-up display. The parking assistance package adds side and top view parking camera views. For more power, or if you would like to take your M6 Grand Coupe for the track, you can find the competition package that increases engine output by 40 horsepower. It also includes lightweight wheels, revised tuning with the suspension, steering and rear differential, retuned stability control providing you with a higher threshold for intervention from the M dynamic mode, as well as a black chrome finish to the tailpipes. Standalone options provide an alternative 20-inch wheel design in silver or black, carbon ceramic brakes, a beige convertible top, Apple CarPlay compatibility, with an infrared night vision system with pedestrian detection. Driving. It resembles other 6 Series cars, however its massive twin-turbo V8 thrust, broad torque range and lovely exhaust note reveal it as a true M car. It's easy to drive at slow speeds or perhaps in rocket ship mode, however its bulking heft feel unnatural on narrow, winding roads. Acceleration. In its sharpest drive settings, this car is usually a fire-breathing beast that snorts and snarls with uncommon aggression. Yet the acceleration won't terrify you because it is accompanied by a refined stability control system. BMW says 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 4.3 seconds. Handling. The M6 has a lot of grip but offers so little steering and suspension feedback it is difficult to find and drive the vehicle at the edge. Bulk and mass also hinder the M6's chance to handle as being a precision instrument. Drivability. With adjustable drive settings, an adaptive suspension plus an optional manual transmission, the M6 is every bit suited towards the daily commute or possibly a full-speed romp. There's no avoiding the M6's mass, however, so agility has a backseat to the automobile's low acceleration. Comfort. The adaptive suspension, adjustable steering and throttle settings, excellent seats and luxury interior appointments make for any car that is certainly supremely comfortable irrespective of road surface. Seat comfort. The front seats give excellent support for both long trips and short, spirited routes. The standard seats are snug for drivers of all sizes. The back seat is okay but lacks headroom and legroom. Interior. The M6 carries a driver-centric and classy design. The dash joins gracefully using the large center console for just a wraparound feel. Intuitive controls, excellent materials quality. Utility. With just 12 cubic feet of trunk space, the M6 Grand Coupe isn't a particularly useful car, unless most of your use is simply driving blazingly fast. But the split and folding rear seat and center pass-through benefit longer, bulkier objects. Technology. BMW's iDrive set the bar for multiple imitators, and for good reason. The controls are often accessible and easily navigable while driving, particularly if paired together with a 10.2-inch display. New additions for 2018 include onboard Wi-Fi connection and wireless device charging. Audio and navigation. A navigation system which has a 10.2-inch display comes standard. Outstanding power and clarity with either the Harman Kardon or Bang & Olufsen head unit. Smartphone integration. Mobile phone connection enables usage of connected drive services over the display screen, Google search, route planning, travel and news information, among other conveniences. Apple CarPlay is optional, then there is no support yet for Android Auto. Driver aids. Standard aids will include a rear view camera, adaptive cruise control and parking sensors. More desirable features: front collision, lane departure, blind spot warning systems, top view cameras, and night vision, can be purchased via option packages.